She has that same smile on when she gets pushed. Where are you going, Kara? She seems to be able to maneuver that by herself. Good job, Kara. That wall's nice.
Daddy doesn't want to paint him again. Ready? Go see Mommy. Whee! Say Dada. See Mama. See Mama. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, Karen. I was looking everywhere for that. Thank you.
Kara.
Yeah, it's my foot. Thank you. Oh, I wish this one had a shoe. Wow. Nope. No, they don't match. They don't match. It's not in there. No. Stay out of Mommy's makeup bag. No, no. The eyeliner? No, that's not my shoe. Where's Daddy's other shoe?
Point at your foot.
Kara, where's this? Where's Daddy's other shoe?
Point at it with your finger.
Kara, where's Daddy's other shoe? Not that one. Oh, God. She's your whole makeup bag.
She likes that.
Well, let me zip it up at least, honey. Hey, Kara, where's Daddy's other shoe? Kara. How did you get that up?
Pretty.
How pretty. Pretty.
Here, film her from that side.
Pretty. Pretty. Oh, Mommy's shoe? Yeah. Stinky! No, not mouth. Kara.
Don't yell at her. Pretty.
Pretty. Pretty.
Pretty.